We're extremely happy that we've gotten such a good turnout from the schools.
It's a great event every year.
We love it.
We're very honored to have Career Day here in order to introduce young students to the construction industry.
Basically just giving them an idea of where they want to go after they graduate.